This home has been freshly renovated in the first 10 months of 2018, ready for tenant occupancy in December of 2018. Has a spacious two-car carport with a new roof over the carport, all metal roofing over home with a new metal roof over the front porch, all new deck railing and lattice panels, all freshly painted. New walkway leading in, freshly painted, new paint on the front porch, in a brand new sun deck, never been used. New light fixtures and fresh new paint on all the exterior walls, freshly painted railing. Sun goes across that sky, so it warms up the sun deck nicely. Insulated glass bay window, brand new picture window. Solid mahogany door with leaded glass, freshly refinished. Floodlights automatically come on motion sensor in the carport. Storm door is metal, insulated glass with replaceable screen panel. And look at the inside. Very spacious. Vaulted ceilings. Ceiling fan, very well lit. Very spacious. Beautiful bay window. Beautiful solid oak floor, freshly refinished. Casing and millwork and baseboard and freshly shampooed carpet, freshly refinished floor in the dining room, fresh paint in the dining room, popcorn style ceiling, brand new bar top pass through to kitchen and new light fixture on a dimmer switch. New window blinds, freshly painted window casing, very well lit, open and spacious. Going into the master bedroom. Fresh, brand new carpet, new paint on walls and ceiling, new insulated glass windows and casing, new crown molding, and new base molding, all freshly painted. New light fixture on a dimmer switch. Let's look at that entry door to the master bedroom again. Brand new door, freshly painted with fluted casing, rosettes, and plinths. Very elegant. Coming into the master bedroom again. Here's the master bath with a brand new freshly painted door and fluted casing, rosettes, brand new tile floor, brand new toilet, brand new window, new medicine cabinet, light fixture, new vanity, Corian vanity top, new closet shelving and rod, all freshly painted, crown molding, new flooring, solid tile. All shelving is adjustable and will be customized to the tenant's desires. Leaving the master bedroom back into the dining room and then the kitchen. All new cabinetry doors in the kitchen, new sink and sink cabinet and countertops, brand new refrigerator, new countertop and freshly painted cabinets, all freshly painted ceiling and walls, laundry room, freshly painted new doors, solid stone floor tile, freshly painted walls, new heating and air conditioning unit, brand new insulated vinyl window with new casing, new range hood, new cabinet with new cabinet doors painted, new countertops, track lighting directional and operational. New pantry closet, very spacious, lots of storage room. New tile floor, back into the spacious living room, going towards the second bedroom. New light fixture, all brand new paint on the walls and ceiling, brand new carpeting. New crown molding throughout, and freshly painted new casing on the window, new door and door frame and casing, fluted casing in plinth and rosettes. Freshly painted closet with new shelving and closet clothes rods, all to be custom arranged per the tenant's desire. The common bathroom has been thoroughly repainted with a Corian countertop and real tile floors, popcorn ceiling, all clean and ready to go for a good tenant. The third bedroom, popcorn ceilings, freshly painted new walls, brand new carpeting, freshly painted doors, new blinds on the window. Again, a closet with more shelves than you'll ever need. Will be customized and fully adjustable to your desires. Back into the living room, very spacious, very luxurious, solid built home, every detail taken care of. Nice, quiet cul-de-sac, very little traffic. Nobody comes and goes that doesn't live here. Very good neighbors living next door. A place you will be proud to call home. You'll enjoy coming home to, and you will love it here.